We're out here with the SYMA X500 and we're going to see how it acts with the optical flow camera covered up right here. I'm going to see if that stops any of that drifting and stuff like that. Of course it could do the exact opposite of that, okay? We just don't know yet until we take off. And if I take off and it just immediately starts going all over the place, then we know that was a bad move. But we're going to try it out. No, I don't think that's working out too good. Well, it was worth a try. Okay, look at it. Yeah, it's making this thing go nuts. That was a bad experiment. Easy to remedy. Just peel the damn thing off. So I was thinking maybe. Let's do another level calibration. It does take a while to get settled down. Look how it's rocking. I'm gonna let it pick up some satellites here because it is without the app, which is, it does seem to fly better without the app. Let me start the video, and that should start the green lights in the back flashing. Yep, see them? Okay, so wow. And it flew pretty decent up there at Beaver, in the little field. But down here, it's not doing so hot. It's not toilet bowling, it's just wonking all over the place, like it was the first time I flew it. See it? So, I'm telling you, this thing, wow. It's something else, man. I tried. Okay, I tried. Look how it just like goes like this, bounces back and forth. I'm telling you that optical flow sensor is the issue here. I mean, this thing is just all over the place. So I'm just about done with this thing here, guys. This thing is just, wow. Holy cow. This thing is just, oh, very frustrating. Let me see, I picked up a piece of grass. Okay, let me stop the video real quick. Okay, so the video stopped. Let me bust the app out, fly it with the app for a little bit and see if that helps it any. But you know, my experience with it is it doesn't really make any difference. Let me check the map. Okay, so it knows where I'm at on the map right there. So the GPS is locked in on it. It says I have 12 satellites. So let's just take off again and see what happens. Let me start the video again. I mean, as long as it just sits there and hovers, it's okay. Try flying it around. Just no good, man. I think the optical, I don't think it's the GPS. I think it's the optical flow causing all of this wonkiness. If the GPS calibration was way off, it would be circling like crazy, toilet bowling like crazy, but it's not doing that. It's just like it's seeing something underneath of it, and it's trying to react to it. That's what it seems like to me. It's seeing something, and it's constantly trying to readjust its position from the optical flow camera. That's what it seems like to me. It sees this height, it sees this color, it sees this, sees that, and it's constantly trying to readjust to that. And I thought putting the tape on there would kind of remedy that, but it didn't do it. So you know, it just, I mean, it just, okay, that's enough of this thing. I've had enough. Alright guys, that's the end. SYMA. Land in the grass. But anyway, alright guys, there you go. The end of the SYMA. I'm not going to fly it no more, so I'm done with this thing. Alright guys, have a nice day. It just, I mean, as long as it just sits there and hovers, it's okay. Try flying it around. Just no good, man.